Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw Pikachu together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the outline of the face, then 2 circles for each eye. Draw the triangular nose. Trace the outline of both the mouth and tongue. Then draw 2 ovals on both cheeks. Then draw the ears, a horizontal one and a vertical one, and draw a line inside. Start drawing the arm and hand. Then draw the second arm and the second hand. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Now draw the body, start from the arm and draw a curved line and another one right after. Draw the foot like the elongated letter C. Then draw the other body part and the other foot. Join the legs with a curved line. Draw 2 lines on the inside of each foot. Now draw the tail with a zigzag line. And draw a zigzag line inside of it. Wow! Our Pikachu turned out great! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes, nose and tips of the ears. Color the ears, face, body, and upper part of the tail with yellow. Use pink for the tongue. Red for the cheeks. And color the inside of the mouth and the underside of the tail with brown. Good job! Pikachu is ready for many new adventures. Goodbye my friends, see you soon!